In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix CoinGecko app not working. If your app is crashing, not loading, or getting stuck, the solution is usually simple. You just need to try things in the right order. Start by checking your internet connection, because CoinGecko relies heavily on live market data. A weak or unstable connection is the most common reason the app won't load. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which is more stable. Toggle airplane mode on and then off to refresh your network. If you're on Wi-Fi, quickly reboot your router. You can also open another site or app that uses live data to confirm your connection is actually working. Next, restart the app completely. Don't just minimize it, close it from your recent apps so it's fully shut down, then reopen it. This clears short-term glitches that can cause freezing, blank screens, or endless loading. Make sure the app is up to date. Head to the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for CoinGecko, and tap Update if you see it. Older versions can break after API or backend changes, so staying current prevents a lot of headaches. If you're on Android and it's still acting up, clear the app cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, find CoinGecko, tap Storage, and choose Clear Cache. This is safe and can fix freezing, slow loading, and even some login issues without removing your data. If your candies aren't showing or your portfolio isn't syncing, log out of your account and log back in. This refreshes your session and often resolves display or sync mismatches. Still stuck? Reinstall the app. Uninstall CoinGecko, restart your phone to clear any lingering processes, and install it again. This wipes out corrupted files and is one of the most reliable fixes for persistent bugs. Just make sure you remember your login details before you remove the app. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end. Check whether CoinGecko is down by visiting the CoinGecko website in your browser or checking their official posts on Twitter or X. If the servers are having issues, the best move is to wait. If you use a VPN, turn it off and restart the app. VPNs can block API requests or route traffic in ways that trigger loading errors. Finally, confirm your phone is compatible and updated. Install the latest iOS or Android version available for your device. Very old operating systems can cause unexpected app behavior. Follow these steps in order and you'll usually have CoinGecko back up and running quickly.